Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make iRobot Braava perform water cleaning. And to do this we'll need to turn our robot upside down and take this attachment which is made for water cleaning, and here you want to fill it up with water inside this cup right here. Now remove the vacuum cleaning cover and place this one right here, just like that. Then we can turn our robot over, power it on, then select the water drop icon and it will begin cleaning using water. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.